Hi, it's Ellen Shapiro, and this is Tap Your Way to a Happy New Year. I'm not talking about tap dancing, though. I am talking about meridian tapping or emotional freedom technique. And what that is a very simple to learn stress relief technique that works really fast to release stress and upsetting emotions out of your system. It works by tapping on acupressure points, which I'll show you, while you repeat certain words. And so in the class, I'm going to explain the basic idea behind it, show you the tapping points, and lead you through some actual tapping so you can experience how quickly this works for yourself. So come join me and tap your way to a happy 2021. It's Ellen Shapiro. Bye for now.